Hey guys, it's Shannon with Our Piece of Earth, and today we are going to be talking about Evan-Moor Skill Sharpener Geography. Particularly, I'm talking about grade 4 book. Before I show you the book, though, I'm also going to say that we are talking and learning about grace with ourselves and with our kids. My daughter is a perfectionist. She's amazing. She's super smart. She's super capable and super wonderful. She is also super perfectionist, cannot handle making a mistake in her schoolwork. So now I'm going to show you why I'm telling you this. This happened. I'm going to show you how it happened. So she missed this page. Somehow when she opened her book up, she skipped the fact that she had not done this page. She didn't read this page. She didn't do any of this. She went to this page, which was Navigating the Globe, where you match the vocabulary word with the description. And she was like, how am I supposed to know this? We have not learned this stuff. But she did it, and she got about half of them right, which was super great considering she did not know what she was doing because she missed this page here with all the vocabulary words on it. So when I said, oh, honey, you did really good. Let me show you why you didn't know those words. We missed a page. It's not a big deal. So she came back in. Close the door again, boys. Thank you. She came back in to work on it, and she was so upset, you guys, that she just kind of fell apart. And in her anger, she had the book open and went to move it because she was so mad, and it was caught under, I don't know if it was caught under her foot or her leg or what exactly happened, but she came out in tears because she had ripped her book. And so we talked a lot about grace. It's okay to make mistakes, but seriously, if you have some ideas on how to help your perfectionist child not fall apart, please leave them in the comments because we could use that around here. All right, but now on to Skill Sharpener Geography, grade 4 from Evan-Moor. Okay, so Skill Sharpener Geography, it helps your child to explore the world while learning important map skills and geography concepts. These activities are organized around 6 essential elements of geography standards and integrate reading comprehension, vocabulary, and writing practice. So each of these 16 units in here is going to include nonfiction reading, comprehension activities, map skills, vocabulary, writing prompts, and hands-on activities. So each unit you go through is going to do this. So I'm just going to skip ahead to a unit that we have not actually ripped apart, so because we have a lot of taped up pages in here. So here in this one, we are talking about National Park Summer. So you're going to read this story, and right here is the concept you're learning for that day. Places are locations that have distinctive physical and human characteristics. Okay, so that is the first page of that unit. The second one is going to be reading with some answers, and this concept is the same. Places are locations that have distinctive physical and human characteristics. Also, here are our vocabulary words. Define it. Use this how you will. Your children can read it. You can have them write it for extra practice. You can make up a game. You can do all sorts of things. Or you can hold on because I'm going to show you some more. Okay? So here's your visual literacy where you can see some gorgeous pictures about these national parks. Down Under. Oh, I've been to Australia, you guys. I highly recommend it. Like 10 out of 10 stars. Again, your concept and define it. So you're going to have some more vocabulary words. So I also want to talk a little bit about the questions you're going to see on these pages because they go far beyond just getting your kids to regurgitate the information that we're feeding them by having them read these stories. Like this, I'd like to ask my kids, what do you think? Or how do you think you would do it? Just get their brains engaged and get them really thinking about how to solve a problem or what they maybe would do. And that's what this book does a lot of. So answer the questions. Do you think it would be difficult to protect a national park? What challenges might you have? So I love that. Let's make them think about that. And why do you think Australia has so many national parks? I love those questions. Love. Big love. Big puffy heart, you guys. Okay, so here's some more visual literacy pictures from Down Under. All right, now we're on to the vocabulary practice. So we have learned about some of these words on the previous pages, right? Yes. Okay, we've learned about some of these words, but now we're going to take them, we're going to put them together, and we're going to do something with them. instance, we are going to match the description and write the words from this yellow box that fit that description. And down here is another think about it. What are some reasons a certain area might be made into a national park? Why would a country want to protect certain lands? Let's dig deeper with that, okay, you guys? There's so much we can talk about right there. And then is our hands-on activity, national park trivia, skill, research geographic features. So we're going to use note cards for this, and we are going to write questions and answers about national parks and play a game. Super fun, okay? I love games. We're going to tie it together a little more in this application where we practice writing persuasive text. A future national park. Excuse me. Think of a special place near you that should be made into a national park. Write a letter to the International Union for Conservation of Nature asking them to make the site you choose a national park. Include details that will persuade the group to agree with you. So we're going to talk about persuasive writing, which is a fantastic skill that our kids are always going to use no matter what. Okay, this is still the same. Okay. But so we're going to do that through all the units. We're going to read things. We're going to read some more, and then we're going to ask some questions about them. We're going to look at pictures, read some more, and answer some more thought-provoking questions. Play a game. Like here, we're doing a crossword puzzle. The kids love these. My kids love these. Then we're going to apply it in a hands-on activity and do a writing assignment. This one is an informative text to convey information and experiences clearly. So you guys, for each of the 16 units, you're going to get the same things with some different activities. Here's a crossword puzzle. And I love that the writing assignments are not the same for each unit. They're a little bit different every time so that it doesn't seem so monotonous to your kids. So this is a great book, you guys. Sorry, I was just trying to see what other things there were for the activities. So I highly recommend check out Skill Sharpener's Geography from Evan-Moor. This is grade 4 again, but you can get the grade level that your children are at. I like these, and I know this one is for my daughter, and she actually, in general, prefers things where we read a ton. So this works for her because there's still a lot of reading, but Evan-Moor is my son's favorite. He does not like to read all the time. But he loves all the Evan-Moor books that he has had so far. They are his favorite because they're short lessons, but he learns a lot and he really soaks it all in. So this works with a variety of different kids' learning levels. So I'm going to leave some links in the comments to the Skill Sharpener Geography book as well as to Evan-Moor, so you can check these out. But please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this book. If you have any questions, comments, whatever you want, tips on how to help your perfectionist child not fall apart when they make a mistake, I'm open to that too. So otherwise, I will be back in a few days with another review, guys. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.